There are over 14,000 AI tools on the market right now, 14,000. And every week, some influencer tells you that you absolutely need this one, or you're falling behind. It's overwhelming, it's expensive, and most of it is noise. I've tested hundreds of these tools over the past 2 years, and I can tell you with absolute confidence, you only need 5. 5 tools that cover everything. The rest is a distraction designed to sell you subscriptions you don't need.
Here's what happens to most people who try to get into AI productivity. They start with ChatGPT. That goes well. Then they hear about this amazing writing tool, so they sign up. Then someone recommends an AI scheduling tool, another subscription. Then there's the AI design tool, the AI email tool, the AI meeting tool, the AI note-taking tool, the AI research tool. Before you know it, you're spending $200 to $500 a month on AI subscriptions, half of which overlap in functionality, and you're spending more time managing your tools than actually doing work. You've traded one productivity problem for another. I call this tool hoarding. It's the AI equivalent of buying every kitchen gadget on Amazon. Sure, that avocado slicer seems useful, but a good knife does the same thing. Most AI tools are avocado slicers. You need the knives. The truth is, the AI landscape is deliberately confusing. There's a financial incentive to make you believe you need a specialized tool for every task. But the best AI tools in 2026 are general-purpose powerhouses that can handle dozens of use cases. You just need to know which 5 and how to use them properly. Tool number 1 is your large language model, your AI brain. This is ChatGPT or Claude, and honestly, either one works. I use both, but if I had to pick one, I'd lean Claude for deep thinking and writing, and ChatGPT for quick tasks and its plug-in ecosystem. This single tool replaces at least 10 specialized AI products. It writes your emails, it brainstorms content ideas, it analyzes data, it summarizes documents, it writes code, it creates strategies, it helps you think through complex problems. 90% of what people buy separate AI tools for can be done right here with the right prompts. The key is building your prompt library. Instead of searching for a specialized AI email writer or AI social media tool, you just build a library of prompts that turn ChatGPT or Claude into whatever specialist you need. I keep a Notion database of my top 50 prompts organized by use case, and it saves me hours every week. Cost: $20 per month for ChatGPT Plus or Claude Pro. That's it. You're replacing $100 to $300 worth of specialized tools with one subscription and better prompts. Tool number 2 is your automation engine, Zapier or Make. These are the tools that connect everything together so you stop doing repetitive tasks manually. Without an automation tool, AI is just a faster way to do things one at a time. With an automation tool, AI does things for you while you sleep. That's the difference between using AI as a tool and building AI systems. Here's a real example from my setup. When someone books a call with me through Calendly, Zapier automatically pulls their LinkedIn profile, summarizes their business using ChatGPT, creates a pre-call brief in Notion, and sends me a notification with everything I need to know before I even open the calendar invite. That entire flow runs without me touching anything. Another one, every time I publish a YouTube video, Zapier takes the transcript, sends it to Claude to generate a newsletter draft, a Twitter thread, and a LinkedIn post. All 3 pieces of content appear in my drafts folder within 10 minutes of upload. Cost: Zapier starts free for basic automations. The starter plan at $29 per month handles everything most people need. Make is even cheaper if you want to go that route. Tool number 3 is your operating system, and for me, that's Notion. This is where everything lives: your projects, your notes, your content calendar, your prompt library, your SOPs, your goals, your meeting notes, everything. The reason Notion is essential is that it gives AI context.
When your life is organized in one place, you can feed that context into ChatGPT or Claude and get dramatically better outputs. Instead of starting every AI conversation from scratch, you can say, here's my content calendar, here's my audience data, here's my brand voice guide, and the AI immediately operates at a higher level. I've also built custom databases in Notion that serve as my AI command center. My prompt library, my content pipeline, my automation logs, my revenue tracker, all connected, all searchable, all ready to feed into AI workflows through Zapier. A lot of people ask me about alternatives. Obsidian, Roam, Coda, Airtable, they all work. But Notion hits the sweet spot of power, flexibility, and ease of use, and its native AI features keep getting better. Cost: free for personal use. Pro plan at $10 per month if you need more storage and collaboration features. Tool number 4 is your meeting brain, Otter.ai or Fireflies. This captures, transcribes, and summarizes every conversation you have so you never lose an insight again. I used to spend 20 to 30 minutes after every meeting writing notes and follow-up emails. Now, Otter records the meeting, generates a transcript, and through my Zapier workflow, ChatGPT automatically extracts action items, creates follow-up emails, and adds tasks to my Notion workspace. My post-meeting workflow went from 30 minutes to 0 minutes of manual work. But here's the underrated benefit: search. 6 months from now, when you vaguely remember something someone said in a meeting, you can search your entire transcript library. It's like having a perfect memory of every conversation you've ever had at work. Cost: Otter Pro at $16 per month. Fireflies has a similar plan, worth every penny if you take more than 3 meetings per week. Tool number 5 is Canva. This might surprise people because Canva isn't a pure AI tool, but its AI features have become so good that it's replaced professional design software for most content creators and business owners. Thumbnails, social media graphics, presentations, lead magnets, product mockups, video editing, Canva handles all of it. And with their AI features, you can generate images, remove backgrounds, resize for every platform, and maintain brand consistency automatically. The alternative is subscribing to a separate AI image generator, a separate design tool, a separate presentation tool, and a separate video editor. Or you can use Canva for all of it. Cost: Canva Pro at $13 per month. The free tier is surprisingly capable if you're just starting out. So let's add it all up. Your complete AI stack for 2026. ChatGPT or Claude, $20 per month. Zapier, $29 per month. Notion, $10 per month. Otter.ai, $16 per month. Canva, $13 per month. Total, $88 per month. Call it 90. For $90 a month, you have an AI brain, an automation engine, an operating system, a meeting assistant, and a design studio. This stack handles writing, research, automation, design, meetings, note-taking, content creation, email, scheduling, project management, and analytics. Compare that to the person who subscribes to 15 different specialized tools at $10 to $50 each, spending $300 to $500 per month and still not getting the integrated workflows that make AI actually powerful. Less is more. The power isn't in having the most tools, it's in deeply understanding a few tools and connecting them into systems.
If you're spending more than $100 a month on AI tools right now, I want you to audit your subscriptions this week. Open your credit card statement, find every AI subscription, and ask yourself, does this do something that ChatGPT plus a good prompt can't do? 9 times out of 10, the answer is no. You don't need more tools. You need better systems. And that's what this channel is about. Building systems that work, not collecting tools that don't. I put together a breakdown of my exact setup for each of these 5 tools, the specific plans I use, the key features, and the automations that connect them. It's in this week's newsletter, which is completely free. Link is in the description, and tell me in the comments. How many AI subscriptions are you currently paying for? I'm genuinely curious. Hit subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this, and I'll see you Thursday.